Isang Cebu-based world-class island resort at water park ang nasa Metro Manila ngayon upang mag-alok ng malalaking discounts, flexible payment options at iba pang exclusive travel perks para sa mga taga-Luzon at National Capital Region na nagpaplanong magbakasyon sa Cebu. Si MJ Mondejar sa report.
It's our day one here for Resort Days Matter. It's actually our campaign, 3 months campaign for 𝗟𝗡𝗏 in support or in line with the promotion or the campaign of the Department of Tourism, Discover More to Love the Philippines.
Nasa Metro Manila ngayon ang mga taga 𝗟𝗡𝗏 Island Resort and Water Park para sa NCR activation ng kanilang Resort Days Matter campaign. Ayon sa resort, layunin nitong gawing mas madali para sa mga residente ng Metro Manila at Luzon na ma-secure ang kanilang accommodation bago ang kanilang susunod na bakasyon sa Cebu. Tatagal ang promo caravan sa loob ng 3 buwan sa 4 na pangunahing mall sa Metro Manila mula August 7 hanggang October 31. Isa sa pinakamalaking alok ng resort ang hanggang 54% discount sa room packages.
First is our promotion is up to 54% off. So,
Sobra kalahati.
Yeah, sobra kalahati. That's 54% off.
Alam mo naman sir, mahilig ang
Oo,
Pilipino sa discount.
Even me, if ako yung pupunta, hahanap talaga ako ng discount.
Bukod sa room discounts, available rin ang buy one get one offers, day use at dining vouchers, water park passes at Pororo Park passes. Mayroon ding 12 dining restaurants na nag-aalok ng iba't ibang international cuisines. Para naman sa mga pamilya naghahanap ng staycation destination, tampok din ang malawak na recreational facilities ng resort.
We are known for being a family-friendly resort because we also have 17 pools inside the property. So you have a lot of adventures when you visit the property or 𝗟𝗡𝗏 for lesser price right now for these promotions.
Mas pinadali rin ng 𝗟𝗡𝗏 ang pagbabayad sa pamamagitan ng 0% installment at buy now, pay later payment options.
This is very much exciting for everyone. I know hindi po natin need na mag-plan ngayon. So our 7th reason is for flexible payment terms. So I believe we are planning our vacations even if wala pa tayong budget ngayon. We are offering 0% interest and for 3 months to pay, buy now pay later offers or options for BPI, BDO and Metrobank credit card holders.
Maaring samantalahin ang mga exclusive promo na ito sa mga 𝗟𝗡𝗏 booth na matatagpuan sa SM MOA, SM Aura, Trinoma at Ayala Malls, Glorieta.
We have decided to open up the doors and welcome all our friends here in Manila, and there is plentiful reasons to do so. Our ongoing promotion that you can find in all of the malls here in Manila, Aura, Glorieta, Trinoma, and Mall of Asia, where we are all represented.
4 malls.
4 malls in one go.
Matatagpuan sa baybayin ng Mactan Island sa Cebu, kilala ang 𝗟𝗡𝗏 Island Resort and Water Park sa malawak nitong private beach. World-class accommodations at mga pasilidad para sa buong pamilya. Nag-aalok din ito ng pet-friendly facilities at Muslim-friendly amenities. May 20-month validity ang mga voucher na mabibili sa promo. Kaya may sapat raong panahon ng mga biyahero upang planuhin ang kanilang bakasyon. Para sa karagdagang detalye, maaaring bisitahin ang official website at social media pages ng 𝗟𝗡𝗏 Island Resort and Water Park. So sa mga taga Metro Manila, alam nyo na, pag napunta kayo ng Cebu, automatic 𝗟𝗡𝗏 is ready for you guys.
All right, I'll see you there.
Of course, I would like to take this opportunity to invite all our friends from Manila down to 𝗟𝗡𝗏 Island Resort and Water Park. Next time you're in Cebu, you're going to have a fantastic time. We have action-packed days and great food, so welcome.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal, MJ Mondejar, SMNI News.